If your data tables are dull and lifeless, they're quietly driving your visitors away, and that means you lost engagement, lost trust, and ultimately ended up losing sales. But what if you could flip it and turn those boring tables into vibrant, attention-grabbing powerhouses? Thanks to Ninja Tables, customizing your WordPress tables has never been easier or more powerful. No coding, no complicated design skills, just simple tools that put full control of color and style right at your fingertips. This isn't just about looking good, it's about creating tables that your visitors actually want to interact with. Ready to transform your data and keep your audience hooked? Let's get started. Alright, I'm inside my Ninja Tables dashboard and I've got a table ready to go. Let's click into it and head over to the Table Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. As you can see, you can style your tables and design them according to any style or color scheme you prefer. So if we look at the styling options, as you can see, there are 3 pre-made styles available for us: Semantic UI, Bootstrap 4, and Bootstrap 3. You can choose whatever you like from here. I usually go for the Semantic UI because it's my personal favorite. Just in case you want to personalize it even more, you have the option to tweak around with the provided styling options. I mean, I feel like this feature is extremely handy for people who like to customize according to their brand and want. Now, with the updated UI, you'll notice the table color panel is more organized. You've got 2 main options here: Predefined scheme and Custom scheme. Let's check out the Predefined scheme. So this section is for those who want something quick and clean. Just pick from one of the ready-made color combos, as there are 14 of them and they instantly change your table's look. If you're in a hurry or want to keep things consistent, this is a great option. But keep in mind, these are fixed. You can't tweak the colors individually. Now, for those of us who want more control, head over to the Color Scheme tab. This is where things get interesting. Here, you can individually style each part of your table. So the search bar, the table header, the table body, the hover animation, footer, and even the alternate table rows. Let me show you. So as you can see, I'm going for the table header. Now, I can choose any color from the picker or paste an exact RGBA color code that I want. So this is super handy if you've got brand colors to match. Now, let's say I want this color for the header and maybe this one for the body. Done. Next, there's this little toggle right here which says use alternate color schema for table rows. Turn this on if you want to style odd and even rows differently. It usually helps with readability, especially on large tables, and makes the table look unique and pleasing to the eye. So, let's go ahead and pick one color for the odd rows and another one for the even ones. Now check it out. See how clean this looks? And don't forget the hover state, as we can set that too. Just choose a color for when someone hovers over a row. This works for all rows at once, or individually for odd and even ones. Once you're happy with your choices, like I am with mine, click Update Settings. And now, let's hit Preview. Look at that! A colorful, clean, and user-friendly table. It's so much more engaging than the plain default look, right? Now, you might be wondering, what about the drag and drop style tables? How does that work, right? Come on, let's check it out. Let's go ahead and quickly add a drag and drop table. Okay, now, just head to the Settings tab, then click on Background. From here, we can change the background of the header, as well as the odd and even rows. No need to go through a dozen options. We kept it simple for you here. So if you want to quickly match your site's vibe, this is the way. Oh, and one more thing. A very important thing actually. If you're adding elements like text, buttons, icons, or lists inside your table, you can style those individually too. So if you have icons and text like this, just simply click on the element and you'll see the color options pop up on the side. See? You can literally set the icons or even the text and buttons to whatever color you want. It's all right here. So that's how you can give your tables a fresh new look using Ninja Tables. Whether you want a quick preset or full-on custom control, you've got options. Try it out on your own site and let me know in the comments. Did your table design finally match your site's vibe? I'd love to see what you come up with. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Ninja Tables tips from WPManageNinja. See you in the next one. Bye!